And we've got a dispatch here on Iron Rattler at Six Flags Qiddiya City, Saudi Arabia. And we're going to be climbing up to 208 feet on this Vekoma tilt coaster. It's actually the tallest tilt coaster in the world. And look at the location for this. Pretty spectacular. We're going to get some good views from up here. Yeah, when we come off the top of this lift hill in just a moment, it is going to be pretty breathtaking. Wow, look at that. I've never been on a coaster where you're looking at huge mountains and the cliff faces. And from up here, you see just how much expansion there's going to be here at Qiddiya City. Hotels, the water park, so much more. And here we go. Down here on the front, so it's going to be perfect for this. Lock it into position now, and then in just a few seconds we're going to tilt forwards and we're going to be looking all the way down at 208 feet. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. With these Vekoma restraints as well, you really like push forwards in them, which is great. Like, they don't lock too tight. We're holding and we're waiting. Oh! Wow, what a view! Oh! Beautifully smooth! Make our way through 5 inversions on this ride. Woo! Hey! This layout, whoa! Woo! Oh! That right there is one of the best roller coasters that Vekoma have ever built. It could be my favourite Vekoma coaster. That is just incredible. They've come a long way since the days of the old boomerangs and SLCs. Look what they're building now. That tilt coaster is just phenomenal. Iron Rattler, what a ride. Back into the station.